What's going on, Jets? So man, another day, another trade recap. I'm gonna give you a quick trade recap. The trade I took for the day. So I started off on the weekly time frame actually, and I saw that UJ was trading into this weekly CB, yeah, CB. And then as we are going into that weekly CB, we had this, I don't know, the previous 5 months high or something like that. Not 5 months, 5 weeks high or something. I'm not really sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Yeah, 6 weeks high. So we swept it right there, and that was our buy side liquidity, right? Let me highlight it as my. Let me just call it the previous week's high. Swept, then put it towards the right. That was me. Going into the day, and then I went straight to the hourly time frame after that. Okay. Yeah, let me go on the hourly then. And then on the hourly time frame, well, on the 4 hour time frame before I go to the hourly, I saw that we have this bullish big fair value gap, right? This busy right here. So when I was taking my shorts, I knew it was a bit risky taking shorts as we had this huge ass bullish fair value gap right there. And ideally, I should take my shorts when I'm below that once it's inverted, and then I'll go short ideally. So when I was taking my shorts, that was my take profit. I used it as my internal drawn liquidity, or internal range liquidity or something like that. That was what I used the CB for or as, right? Kept it in mind, and then I went to the hourly time frame. And on the hourly time frame, man, we had this beautiful sweep right here, right? We had that sweep right there, price I was taken. Yeah, we took that buy side there, and then we have this fair value gap, which was inverted, and that's what I wanted to see in order to take my shorts. I wanted to see some bullish PDRAs get disrespected, and that's exactly what happened. Here you can see we dropped below it a lot, and once we went back to tap into it, that was when I was interested in taking my shorts. And remember, today we had CPI. Was it CPI? Yeah, I think today we had CPI. So I traded after CPI. And after this, I knew that I had to go to the 5 minutes time frame to get an entry, but I did not in this instance because I thought I'm gonna get an entry like a long time ago. But so I went on the 1 minute time frame. And going on the 1 minute time frame, what did I see? I saw the sweep again right here. This 1 minute sweep. And what I wanted to see on the 1 minute, man, is pretty simple. An inversion fair value gap. Right there. Wanted to see that 1 minute inversion. And I saw that we broke structure right here, and then we left with a bearish fair value gap right there. And as soon as price went back into that inversion and the fair value gap balanced price range, I targeted this as my TP initially. This was the first TP that I targeted. Then the second one obviously is this one right here, this low right here. So going on to the 1 minute time frame. Going into the 1 minute time frame, I took my shorts right there. And I got out probably around there before. Well, price did hit my initial TP, and when I got back, I had not set my TP, so it retraced a bit. So I closed roughly around there because my TP was basically hit. And yeah, that was the trade of the day. That's the trade that I took today on UGA. Beautiful, beautiful one, man.